Hey, what's up guys? My name's Max O'Neill. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video of I know. I think I played this video. I think I played this game before, and also I'm playing this game because I'm taking no because I'm taking old advice from. Why do we need a tutorial? I just pressed it anyways. I'm a random black. I'm from FBI now. I don't need a tutorial. I'll leave the game. Anyways, so I'm taking advice from a friend that is really old advice is to make funny videos, and since I make weird and random noises while I play Hide-IL, or I guess Hide-I Online, yeah, here I am. I also just want to look at these. Alright, let's start. What? What? There's... Okay, come. Sprite, run around. Ah, crap. Okay, run. Okay. Good so far. Stay here. Oh, shut up. Hide. Okay, good. We're good. It's a pig. Well, this is very interesting. Oh! How do you not see me? This retard. That was amazing. It's a good thing you can't hear this, because I would definitely get copyrighted if you hear this. I'm gonna go out in the open, see what's going on in life. This is boring. Hey, I'm over here. Hello? Guys, I'm a gas canister. This is boring. Where is everyone? Okay. I need to fix my sensitivity. Alright, where are you, dang prop? I thought I saw a name. Whoa. Hey! Ah! Come back here! Hey! Sir! Okay, juke him. Ah! Sir! Stand clear! Where'd you go? You pesky little Pepsi? Wait, you're a Sprite. Where'd you go? Hey! Oh, God. Oi! Hoya, Pacoya! Yeah. But there's only 3 of us playing? Oh, Rocky Cow joined. Tasty Ghost. Ooh, pig. It's a pig. I am a pig now. You can't... Boom. I am a pig sitting in a box. How great can this be? Greater. I am a pig sitting in a box. This should be greater. You see the little emoji? The guy did not know. You see this little emoji down in the bottom? Yeah, that is when you will start to play music. That's a taunt. Oh hey, what's up, man? That's a taunt, and when the emoji appears, is when you'll start playing music, and that will give away your position. Hey, don't sit on my head, sir. Don't sit on my head. Oh, we're gonna stack it. This is it's running away, pig. Yeah, I'm gonna look outside. I'm over here. Hey, you retard! Crap. Hey, you retard! I'm over here. Retard. Hey, retard! I'm right here. I'm right here. Hey, 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 sir, 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 sir! Oh my God, this guy's so dumb. Sir, 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 I am right here jumping up and down. Ha ha, you can't catch me, sucker. You're horrible at games. I love doing this. I love this game. This guy is... Just stay behind him. Stay behind him. He's demented. He's running away. Oh, these guys are idiots. Oh. Can I fix my sensitivity? Gosh darn it, my sensitivity's on high. Anyways. Oh, that was amazing. I'm going slow. Can we change maps? This map sucks. In the game there was basically only two. Shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him! You big ugly box! You should not have became a box because you're easy to shoot. Get back here, sucker. Hey, thanks for making yourself a bigger target. Now where's that cash register? Register. Look. It's down under. Ah, I'm stuck. Hey! What the? Where'd he go? Oh, he died. Oh, he won. Hey! Yeah, I'm the best. Yeah, I got 1 like. It sucks. Woo! Got 3 likes. Okay, so come soda, run around. Hopefully become good. What are you a sink? Change! Carlos. Okay. Yeah, what's up, Carlos? Nope. You will never find me here. I need content. I will be the best Hide.io player ever. Oh crap, my mom's calling. Okay, be right back. Hello? Only a little. Okay. Bye. I gotta go! Woo! Woo! Terminator! Ah! Woo! Woo, sucker! Wee! Oh crap, I'm low health. Woo! Jump out, how do you say? Tell me! Tell me! Tell me! Tell me! Tell me! No! Let's see! No, 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 no! No, no, no! Okay, I'm gonna watch. Carlos! Carlos! Carlos, if you could hear me, most likely you cannot hear me. I want you to jump. Can you guys hear my mic okay? Hopefully you could. I mean, people who's watching the video. Purple ghost. No, I thought that said purple. Run! Run. Jump! Jump, what are you doing? Run, jump, rock, and climb! Dad, I'm hungry. Dad, I'm hungry. Hi, hungry, I'm Dad. Why did you name me this way? Alright, you son of a sucks. Where are— Hey! My screen is dry, so it's hard to— Ugh. I wish my hands were sweaty right now. Hey! What are you in here? Cup. Hey! Chair! Must be my lucky day. We got couch in here. Block the door! Yeah! It's hard to move my it's hard to use the screen like swiping like this on the screen. It's hard. Probably because I don't actually have a proper screen protector, and I still have the plastic on the screen. And also probably because my hands are weirdly sticky and dry. Why every time I play Hide.io, my fingers feel like this. Where'd he go? Not smart planning, huh? Should have had pants. Heave. Let's see. Ooh. I'm a chair. It's a bad idea to be a chair. Oh my god! They didn't notice me rotating! Oh! They were all in the room and they didn't notice me rotating! Ah! It's amazing. How did they not notice me rotating? Don't you dare. No! Smaller! Yes! 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 Become a chair! No! Wildcat. This is not Wildcat. Respawn. Nope. He has a shotgun! No, no, no. Hi. How are you? Hi. How? Why do you have a shotgun? Is that fair? No! What? Jiff, you're the last one. Complete the mission. What's the score, by the way? Hey, I got 32! This is not interesting. Does it work? No, it's not. Oh, it's been 17 minutes. Run! Run! Become something smaller! You can't become a book! What are you doing? What are you doing? You can't become a book! You idiot! Become a chair! Become something smaller! You wasted your time trying to become a book! Stop! Just go! You idiot! No! Also, one guy has a shotgun and also we're triplets. Hey. Where are you? Oh, hey! Come back here. I don't have a grenade, so I can't do it. Oh, they're in love! How great! I don't care. Okay, I'm gonna get the one who's in love. I'm gonna get the one who's in love. That's why they're together. They're in love. And I just ruined their love. Oh, crap, I'm losing health. Okay. Slenderman, you must die. Back here. Boom. Finally. Crap! He's behind the dang box! I saw one guy. I saw his dang emote. These guys are idiots. My teammates are idiots. Naked egg. One guy's in the kitchen. He's in the break room. Naked egg. He's in the break room. You can't hear me. No. Go to the dang break room. He must be there. He must still be there. Go in the dang break room. What are you doing? What are you doing, laddies? I'm not gonna use my respawn. Yummy frog. Still great. Yeah, I'm still amazing, suckers. I got 35 score. Can't tell me no. I think there's still one guy behind. Okay, never mind. Slenderman? What? I have 35 and he has 32. How does that make sense? No, I will not like it. It does not make sense. I have 35 and he has 32. It does not make sense at all. Oh, this map. Oh, I know where to go. I love this map. This is one of my favorite maps. I must become a pig. Oh, crap. Turn. Good enough. Don't see me. Don't you dare see me. Go. Leave. Woo! Suckers. Weird noises. 100% funny. They will not find me under here. Hey, how's it going? Hey, how's it going? Oh my god, they did not see me. Hey! Oh crap. Are you following me? Oh! No, and go in the door! Go in the door! Go in the door! Yes! I have completed my mission! No! He's fine. I spawned in the same place I was. He knows! What's it? Hey, what's up? Hey, you want pizza? Hey, cheeseburger. How about a cheeseburger? Hey, son of a... They all gangbang me. Jiff, you can do it. You're the last one. Complete the mission. Don't do anything stupid this time, alright? Why did you change into something bigger? What are you doing, man? What are you doing? Alright, follow him. He didn't even know. Okay, well... Okay, well, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye-bye. No, seriousness, I gotta go.